Okay. Now, student question is, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. So, less denominator is x. Then, numerator is x minus 4. It is a fraction. It is a fraction. Now, numerator is decreased by minus 2. It means x minus 4 minus 2. And denominator is increased by 1. Is x plus 1. Then, denominator x plus 1 is 8 times the numerator. Numerator is x minus 6. According to the question, when numerator is decreased by minus 2 and denominator is increased by 1, then denominator is 8 times of the numerator. So it is x plus 1 equal to 8x minus 48. It is 49 equal to 7x. So x equal to 7. Therefore, fraction becomes 7 minus 4 upon 7, or it is 3 by 7. So, two variables are not required here. We can solve this question by single variable also. Now, next question is, solve the system of linear equations 8b minus 3u equal to 5ub. Second equation, 6b minus 5u equal to minus 2ub. Find the value of u and b. There is one method. We can divide whole of the equation by ub. Then it is 8v upon ub minus 3u upon ub equal to 5. Here v can say, u can say. So 8 upon u minus 3 upon v equal to 5. Let equation 3. Similarly, divide second equation 6b minus 5u upon ub. It is minus 2. It is give you 6b upon ub minus 5u upon ub is minus 2. Here v can say, here u can say. So 6 upon u minus 5 upon b is minus 2. This 6 upon u minus 5 upon b is minus 2. It is equation 4 left. Now, to simplify the equation, first of all, we will make the coefficient equal. So, multiply this equation by 3 and this by 4. 8 3 is 24, 6, 4 is 24. Then subtract minus plus plus. It's cancel out. So minus 9 upon b plus 20 upon b is equal to 15 plus 8. Or it is 21 upon b equal to 23. It is 3 5 is 15, 4 2 is 8, 23. So v equal to 21 upon 23. Twenty minus 9 is 11. So it is 11 upon 23. Now, make the coefficient of v equal. So, we will write equation like that. It is 8 upon u minus 3 upon b equal to 5 and 6 upon u minus 5 upon b is minus 2. Multiply this equation by 5, this by 3, then subtract minus plus plus is cancelled. Is a 15 upon b, it is plus 15 upon b, cancel out. Now it is 40 upon u minus 18 upon u equal to 25 plus 6. So it is u LCM 40 minus 18 is 22. It is 31. So u equal to 22 upon 31. These are the values of u and b. Now question 3. Draw the graph of pair of equations 2x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus y equal to 4. Write the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. Write the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. These lines and the y-axis. Find the area of triangle. Of the triangle. Student, to make the graph, first of all we will make a table. This is for the line 2x plus y equal to 4. It is x, it is y. Let x is 0, then y is 4. Then put y is 0, then x is 2. Y is 0, 2x equal to 4, x is 2. So, on the rectangular coordinate system, let it is origin, that is x-axis, x dash minus x-axis, y and y dash. There is a point 0, 4. 0, 4 is on y-axis. And 2, 0 is on x-axis. 2, 0. Then second line 2x minus y equal to 4. Table for this x, y. Now putting y equal to 0, then x is 2. When x is 0, y is minus 4. So there is minus 4. Point 0, minus 4. And 2, 0 is same. Now, let us write the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. So these are the lines joining. This point, 2 lines and this. There is a point 2, 0 is the point of intersection. Now, we will find the area of triangle. Let this is a triangle A, B, C. This is the point C. So, altitude of the triangle is 2 and base is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So area equal to half of BC into, let it is origin O, so OA. So 1 upon 2, 8 into 2. 2 cancel, so area is 8 units. Area of triangle is 8 units.